welcome back to my channel. So after me and Toby arrived in Veracruz, we ended up in this little hostel before we pick up our vans. We always struggled to open the door. This is the way to actually enter our apartment. Thanks, Toby, if I didn't have you.
There we go.
Bathroom? Why is it not open? Should I call the woman? Fuck. We basically shared one room and slept in the same bed, but no worries, you know, we are just besties. But after 5 days in there, it was just too hot. So hot because we had no air conditioning. It was hot to stay with the doggies. And after 5 days, because we still had to wait for our vans, we went to a different Airbnb.
Let's have a room tour.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh my god.
it's so much better.
Wow, we're living in a mansion.
The other rooms, it's so much better. So, and then the bathroom.
What?
This is so cheap. It's just €9 more expensive.
Yeah.
It's just €9 more.
Oh my god.
Here's another bathroom, Toby.
Oh my god.
I don't know which room I should take.
Here.
I have a mirror here. I kind of like it.
Wow.
Cora, the Explorer. Guys, you have your own bedrooms now. That's so fancy.
Thank you, Susie, for cooking.
We are walking through.
Jetzt wurde es rein.
Jetzt wurde ich angeguckt. We are walking through like a market, which I absolutely love. Look at all the chili spices. Oh my goodness. What? Jalapeno. It really reminds me of China. It really does. And the corn. This for me is paradise, guys. You will not believe. This for me is paradise. Hey guys, we are currently waiting in front of the bank because we need to pay the import taxes for the vehicles. And we've been waiting in the sun, it's super hot. And after that I have to go and get my credit card because, well, my bank or some bank just took my credit card and I'm useless without it. As you see, this is the bank and we are just sitting here. All of us. Just been waiting for the past, I don't know how long.
2 hours.
2 hours?
Already,
Yeah. Hey guys, I am in front of the office. Today is the day where I'm getting my van back. And because when we go to the harbor, we cannot wear short stuff. So I had to dress up in Toby's jeans because I don't have any jeans with me. So I had to wear his. So yeah, let's go to the harbor now and pick up my van. That's crazy. Basically, she is the one who's driving me because she's been organizing it while we open.
Yes.
Okay.
And outside your box and
The box.
yo le ayudo.
Oh, no one stole anything. Oh my god. Oh my god, my van. My van is here. Oh my god. As I arrived at the harbor, the lady told me that I had to take all of my stuff and belongings out of the van so the custom can check it for drugs or any other illegal stuff. So I did, and I took all of my stuff out and I received the okay and I could finally take my home. Toby's just over there getting his van inspected. I had mine yesterday, so today I can take my van and drive it already away, but he probably has to wait a couple more days, or hopefully tomorrow if he's lucky. I think he passed. Guys, I officially just picked up my van in Mexico. Helper! I couldn't pick it up yesterday, but I picked it up yet today, and Toby just did the inspection, so hopefully if he's lucky he can pick it up tomorrow and we don't have to stay longer, because we already stayed way longer and had to pay extra for all the Airbnbs and so on. So I'm officially taking my first ride on Mexican street in my van. I can't believe it. A month ago I was still in Europe, I was still settled in Portugal with all the time, and then everything went so fast. I did the merge, that time passed so fast, and now I'm just here in Mexico, and I just can't wait to get out of the city to really explore the nature. I mean, I've explored the food already, quite a bit, not enough. You know, I'm a foodie, but I really cannot wait to get to the ocean, to the beach, to all the hidden caves and everything that Mexico has to offer. And to be honest, you know, I got warned a lot before my travels. But you know me, I never like to make, oh I'm sweating, I never like to make any judgment by hearing, you know, as silly as it sounds, but I have to make my own experience before I just blindly trust somebody's word. So, to be honest, for now at least, and maybe I've been lucky or whatsoever, but it's not that dangerous as everybody proclaims, you know, at least here, a bit more to the south. I don't feel threatened. I've been out alone. I don't really get harassed or anything, like not even guys, they are not staring or approaching me that much, you know, not to an extent that it feels uncomfortable. At night I was out with Toby, we will walk around. We will still of course take care, and I'm not saying like, oh, we will just blindly go and do whatever. We will still always take care and take safety measurements, but I'm saying from all the things that people have told me how bad it would be or how dangerous it would be, it's really, at least in my opinion, not that bad. And I've been here for the past 1.5 weeks without the van, so let's see now how it's gonna be with the van. It is a little bit busy over here to get out of the custom and the harbor. It's like a long line of trucks, and yeah, I'm just trying to get out. Look, I don't even know where to go first. Oh, let's go to Cancun and Tulum, the Caribbean.
Guys, not gonna lie, but we bought these freaking things without even having an adapter, and then now we figure out there are no freaking gas bottles. There are no freaking gas bottles here in Mexico, so we have to figure out how we handle the situation with cooking. It's a disaster, guys. It's a disaster.
I'm sweating like a tuna. But please don't mind me. I'm just in my van already. We picked it up from the custom and it's full, completely full, because we are trying to get everything inside of the van. Oh, it's hard. I was trying to install the van, or, you know, put a van in here, a new one. And I realized that, you know, this uses how much volt? It's I think 160 or so, and our stuff run under 240 volts, and I think that just burned it through because it's not working anymore. I don't know what to do, really. There is a solution for every problem, and as you see, we got an adapter so we can connect the fan, and we also got a new stove because, well, basically we had to change the whole kitchen system, but it's alright and we're happy with it. Und dann schnell weg.